Hello everyone, welcome once more. Today we're gonna unbox a set of Ryobi with the drill machine and the hot vacuum. They both are the series of 18 volt, included 2 batteries, as we see here, 3 years guarantee. Let's unbox and see what we have inside. Number 1. Number 2. Full of instructions for the charger, for muscles. Charger for 1 battery. That's the whole set, 1 plus. It shows what is included in here. And 2 batteries of 1.3 ampere, small one, but anyway there are 2, not for big duration. So let's go see one by one. We will leave this on side. The batteries, I don't know if they are charged. Great. So "24 levels. It has also the hammer option, 2 speeds. And let's see. That's option 1. That's option 2. Quite faster, yes. It says here also hammer drill driver. As it says in pack, it has 50 Nm. So the drill bit has 50 Nm, the 2 option of speed, 500 maximum RPM or 1800, 6,500 hits when the hammer option is inside. It says the maximum drill bit that can be adapted. And the vacuum cleaner, it has 540 ml storage. It's 1 kilo. Anyway, we will control this 1 kilo if it's true. $1.50 kg. We have $1.53 kg without battery. Now with battery. $1.479 kg. The same we will take for the drill. So $1.277 kg, and with the battery $1.700 kg. Gum stuff here as protectors, the LED light in front, Here is to give drill bits. Now let's try this one. Here we see the filter. Has also the brass, probably for car. Oh, like that. It's come all together. The filter. This is 540 ml as it says in the pack. So we'll give it back inside. It has no any clip, just it fits inside. Here's the clip. Okay, let's make the first test. Quite strong, as we see from far away. It drains everything inside. I can say good stuff. Easy to make it empty. And that's all. That's a good stuff. I like this. So before we will try the power of the machine, we will check if the battery is full charged as it came. So no. It's charging now. Probably the second one is not full too. We will leave it to be full and then we will make a test on the wood. Till then we will show that, as we said, it has 24 level of the power that you choose. Nice choices. Here is the hammer option, the screws and the drill. As it says in the pack, it takes till 13 mm. It takes till 13 mm of drill. Let's once more the click. Tight. Okay, good. As I said before, the lead. Let's wait to try. So, the second speed, let's make it here full.
Może pobudka Stavros?
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel to let me continue show you more and more things. Bye bye.